Hey everyone! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting, a deep dive into what could be the future of one of Lincoln's most iconic vehicles, the 2026 Lincoln MKX. Now, before you jump into the comments saying, wait, didn't they replace that with the Nautilus? You're absolutely right, but stick around because we're going to explore why fans are still talking about the MKX nameplate and how it might inspire Lincoln's next big move. For those who aren't familiar, the Lincoln MKX was discontinued after the 2018 model year and officially replaced by the Lincoln Nautilus. And let me tell you, the Nautilus has been a solid successor. With its refined design, plush interior, and advanced tech features like Sync 4 infotainment, it's carried the torch well for Lincoln's midsize luxury crossover segment. But here's the thing. The MKX had such a strong following during its run that some enthusiasts have wondered if Lincoln might bring back the nameplate for a new generation. So today, we're imagining what a 2026 Lincoln MKX could look like based on trends in the industry and Lincoln's own plans for their SUV lineup. If Lincoln were to revive the MKX name, it would likely borrow heavily from their current design language while pushing boundaries even further. Think bold grilles inspired by the star emblem, sleek LED lighting signatures, and aerodynamic curves that scream sophistication. Imagine this as a blend between the sporty Aviator and the ultra-luxurious Navigator, but tailored for the midsize market. And under the hood? Well, electrification is clearly the future. We wouldn't be surprised to see a hybrid powertrain option or even an all-electric variant as part of Lincoln's commitment to sustainability. After all, competitors like Cadillac and BMW are already making waves with plug-in hybrids and EVs in this space. Now, let's talk about where Lincoln really shines: the interior. If the 2026 MKX does come to life, expect nothing short of opulence. Picture quilted leather seats, open-pore wood trim, and ambient lighting that transforms your drive into a sanctuary. Plus, with advancements in autonomous driving technology, don't be shocked if this vehicle includes hands-free highway assist systems and over-the-air updates to keep everything fresh. One area where Lincoln could truly stand out is personalization. Imagine being able to customize not just the color and wheels, but also the scent of the cabin or the sound profile of the engine. These small touches could make the MKX feel less like a car and more like a bespoke experience. Of course, any discussion about Lincoln's future has to include their full SUV lineup. From the compact Corsair to the massive Navigator, each model serves a unique purpose. The Nautilus, which currently fills the role once held by the MKX, continues to evolve with refreshes expected in the coming years. But if Lincoln decides to expand its offerings, reviving the MKX name could give them another chance to capture buyers looking for something distinctly different. So, what do you think? Should Lincoln bring back the MKX nameplate, or should they focus on evolving the Nautilus instead? Personally, I love the idea of blending nostalgia with innovation. It's a winning formula when done right. But at the end of the day, whether it's called the MKX, Nautilus, or something entirely new, one thing is certain: Lincoln isn't slowing down anytime soon. No matter what happens, Lincoln's dedication to crafting luxurious, high-tech vehicles ensures they'll remain a top contender in the premium SUV market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy driving!